we are live. AWS reInvent 2023, day 4. I have no voice left.
Absolutely. Same with my voice, by the way. It's gone since day 2 or something like that.
We are here in Buddy V's. We are doing our vBrownBag person on the street interview process, and we have an amazing AWS hero with us. Would you like to introduce yourself, good sir?
My name is Markus Ostertag. I'm an AWS community hero based out of Munich, Germany.
Wonderful town.
Actually, the best town in the world.
Awesome. All right, extraordinary person on the street interview. We have seen all of the announcements. We just got out of the Werner keynote. What has excited you the most?
That is an extraordinary question, and it's a hard one this year, actually, because I think there is not the one outstanding announcement. It's more like the mixture and how things are coming together, in my opinion. Like, look at Amazon Q, for example, which was already driving Code Whisperer behind the scenes, is now pushing into the direction that we as customer can use it directly via API, that it will be integrated in a lot of different things. So to me, the main thing is now seeing to coming everything together is the biggest thing of this reInvent.
Yeah, I see it as a lowering of the bar. So like when ChatGPT came out, it made generative AI available and functional to a large number of people. I see that exact same motions happening at a technological level for us, the technologists who are trying to learn how to use it and implement it better.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we have seen Bedrock coming out earlier this year already. Now seeing Amazon Q building upon Bedrock, or also think about PartyRock, for example.
Yep.
Like PartyRock was announced a week before reInvent or something like that.
And everybody's using it to make apps immediately.
Exactly, and that is so cool because everybody is now able to actually really build Gen AI applications within 2 minutes, and it's so awesome. It's a great experience, and everybody's able to try it out. You don't need to have any ML background. You don't need to understand AI at all. And still you can make really, really good use that leverages AI in its best. So that's really, really cool to see.
Within a couple of minutes, I made a Terraform test creator agent to write tests against my Terraform code. And it's such an accelerator. I also see where you can shoot yourself in the foot because you're building a faster weapon.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Like I actually built 2 PartyRock apps. One was an AWS game day team name generator, where you just throw in, okay, those are actually the people I'm playing with. You give a bit of a background, and then it throws out things like
unicorn.
No. For us, we did that for the game day here at reInvent, and then I think it came up with something like the worst case scenario, which is actually pretty funny considering that we're German.
That's funny.
The other app was, I also built that for reInvent actually. It's a conversation starter.
Yeah.
So if you are at a conference, especially for introverts, how do you start a conversation? Not everyone is like Chris, who's always around.
I was going to say, you're not an introvert.
I actually am an introvert.
What?
Yeah, I actually really am an introvert. Like, but maybe my definition of an introvert is a bit different, because I see an introvert as somebody where if he or she is around people, that is draining energy. An extrovert, being around people, gains energy from that. Yeah. And to me, a lot of people are energy draining. So I really need to find my balance, especially for reInvent, to get that energy back and fill up this energy thing. Gotcha. So yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I will stop draining your energy then.
No. you are not, Chris. We are family. We are family.
We really are now. It's the Hero program has brought all of us together. It's amazing.
Yeah, absolutely. Also, like, I don't know if you already talked about Buddy V's and what it actually is.
I haven't. No, I haven't.
So the community hub here brings together user group leads, community builders, and the heroes in the same place for the whole time of reInvent. And it's really awesome because we heroes know each other. We know we have multiple dozen calls over the years, so we can at least you have a name. Sometimes we see each other on those big events like here, but now also connecting to a lot of community builders and user group leads way more than we did before globally. That is huge. So I love the community up here.
Awesome, I do too. Well, with that in mind, let's go back to being community. Markus, always a pleasure to have you on the show. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, Chris.
Oh, and how can people find you online?
On LinkedIn, search for Markus Ostertag, and please put a note when you send me that you have watched the BrownBag session here, that you know Chris, so that I know who you are, because I can't accept everyone that wants to sell me something.
Exactly.
So for community, I'm always more than open to have a chat and to accept that and have that contact and reach out. But please let me know that you're part of the AWS community, or that you have seen me on this video, and then I'm more than happy to add you as a contact. Or follow me on X, Twitter, whatever it's named in this very moment. Osterjour, that is Osterjour. And you also can find me on Instagram.
And we will have all of that information in the show notes, so you can just click and follow Markus. All right, thanks everybody, and we'll talk to you next time.